I'll explain the maintenance procedure of lube oil pump. Firstly, disconnect the suction pipe from the lube oil pump and then remove the pump. Remove the pump driver gear, cover, and pump gear from the detached pump of lube oil. After disassembly, check the parts. Firstly, check for abnormal contact and abrasion on tooth surface of pump gear. Check for flaws and seizure on side of pump gear. Check for seizure and abnormal abrasion on pump gear shaft and gear bush. Check for the contact of drive gear. Reassemble the lube oil pump in inverse order for disassembly.